Hi guys, welcome to my stack tulip challenge. Today we're challenging ourselves to make as many stack tulips as we can. The last time I tried, I made 9 stack tulips perfectly. But today I'm going to be pushing myself until I reach the limit. We're going to be sharing our experience in the comment section below. You're going to share with us how many stack tulips you are able to make and what's your goal. What do you think is your limit for the stack tulip? This is going to help you as a barista to grow and improve your latte art skills so that you can make a perfect stack tulip with so many layers. Because you can challenge me to make more layers of the stack tulip so that I can also push myself to reach your goal. But also as a beginner barista, this is going to help you to grow and improve your latte art skills because you're going to be practicing and sharing with us your experience and how far you've reached so that you can be able to grow with us and make a perfect stack tulip. The stack tulip is an advanced variation of the tulip latte art, which is one of the common latte art that you see on most of the cup of coffees. For a stack tulip, we pour a heart on top of another heart to create a layer or a stack. So we count these stacks to create the number of the stack tulips that we pour. Let's start with the most basic tulip latte art, which is the 1, 2, 3. The milk texture, because it's the most important key thing that is going to enable you to create a perfect latte art. If you're not good in milk steaming, I'll link my video in the description below. You can check it out. It's a beginner's guide on creating the perfect milk texture for making a perfect latte art. After steaming our milk and creating that perfect milk texture for making the perfect latte art, we're going to start making our latte art. We start by mixing our milk into our espresso, creating our perfect canvas. Bend your cup so that you can be able to pour your first pour in the center of the cup. After pouring your first pour, you're going to pour your second pour so that it pushes your first pour. Then we're going to finish with our third pour of the tulip latte art. This is how we make our basic tulip latte art, which is the 1, 2, 3. This is the 3-layer stock. So on the next cup of coffees, we're going to increase our tulip stocks until we reach our limit. So we're going to start with the first one by mixing our milk into espresso, then pouring our stocks. So that's a 1, that's a 2. Then we pour our third stock, fourth stock, and the fifth stock. So this is the 5-stock tulip. Then after making the 5 stock, we increase another one. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I believe I can do more than this. So on my next cup of coffee, I'm going to try to increase the number of the stacks that I'm making. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe I can increase more than this. Try making it 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I've made it, but let me make one more. Let me push one more. Okay, we start by mixing our milk into espresso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, we've made it. Let us try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. I can't add on, but my goal is making 12 stacks, so we make one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I've made it. 12 stack tulips. This is where I've ended for the stack tulip, but I'm going to keep on pushing myself to add on more layers on my stack tulip. I'm going to share my experience in the comment section below every time that I add on one more layer on the stack tulip after this video. But one of the key things I would advise you before you click off this video is to check out this video here. It's a full guide on how you can make other variations of the tulip latte art. I'll advise you to watch this video next because it will be very helpful. It's a beginner's guide to make a tulip latte art. It also shows you the different variations of the tulip latte art.